adults, the more mature people, and have a look at what these people are doing. That's the kids. See, when you come to the beach and you're a kid, you swim and you play and you build sandcastles and you throw balls and you have a really good time and you move around and you're really active. If you asked a kid to lie down on the beach all day and read a book, they'd be bored to tears. The adults, they lie down all day reading and doing nothing. And I think that's what happened to us as the human race. We don't do anything anymore. We don't play. We don't do sport much anymore. We don't move around. We're not active anymore. Why not live your life like a child? Jump up in the morning, be excited that the sun's up and there's another new day to play. Be excited that you can go to the beach and run around and swim in the water. You don't have to lie on the sand. Let's be more like a child and less like an old, mature, boring old person. And let's play. And let's keep a fit, healthy body for the rest of our lives. Because remember, you want to be sexy at 70 and sensational at 80 and awesome at 90 and healthy and happy at 100. And be a kid and play. Don't be an old fogey person who lies on the beach and does nothing all day. Boring. No,